Let's go. Let's go. We're here. We are here. We are here. Let's see here. Stuff's a little jacked up here. All right, all right, all right. What we got here? Top G, what's up? Only trades to the moon. That's right. It's going up. Oh, Sue Trades. I'm here. I'm here. I had to do the fatherly duties. I had to do the fatherly duties today. If you guys know what that is, we had to do the fatherly duties. My son had a award ceremony, and then I had to pick the kids up from school, so there's that. There's that. But we're here. Do, 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 do. Are we live? Yeah, it looks like we are. All right, let's refresh here. Good morning, Donovan. Let's see what we did today. What have we done so far? Let's take a look at the little bit of a larger time frame here. Take a look, see. Yeah. Kind of got this little swing here. Let's just mark out a couple of things just to kind of, help us along here on our way. We swept the Asia low. Looks like we swept the London and Asia low there. No, wait. That's from 2 days ago. So we did not sweep those. All right. I mean, it looks like we're moving back up towards all-time highs, right? That's what it looks like. I woke up in the Bugatti. Oops, switch charts. There's no Bugatti. There's no Bugatti. None for me. All right, let's fib this range. We're sitting at above OTE right now, so do we have to go higher? Well, we don't have to. Feels like we probably do, though, right? Do we have any news today? I don't know. I haven't looked. It is Friday, after all. We are in the lunch hour here, so it might just be chopping around. Let's see. Let me check for news. The bot did take the opening range trade for me this morning. It took a W. I wasn't home, but hey, it's always nice to make money when you're not there, right? Always nice to make money when you're not there. We have a lot of oil news. I guess APEX today. That's really it, right? Do we have any news this morning, really? Fed Waller spoke. 1 year, 5 years, some 2 stars. Durable goods. What do we have? 8:30 this morning. Yeah. It really looked like it did much, huh? Yeah, you actually do have a little data wick down there. We always like to pay attention to the news there. There's not really much going on today. Going to get a haircut. Just want to stop in and say hi. What's up, smooches? Gelati. That's right. Gelati. Durable goods was along. Yeah, looks like it. I mean, from here, guys, I mean, we really can go up or we could just kind of turn back down, really. See what the ES has done. Push back above 22, retest of the 17. Holding up there. You held for 50 points. Nice job, Only Trades. Hopefully all of you guys noticed that Apex extended the sale. I'm sure you guys all got the memo, right? So you now have until June 16th, I believe, was the date. Maybe it was the 15th, and to activate the 250K. So if you do buy a 250K, it's good through the end of the month, and then you have through June 15th to pass. What? Extended? You guys all knew. You already all informed them? I'm sure. That's how it works, right? All right, let's see here what Mancini's saying. As long as 94 holds, we run to 08. I'd say 94 held. We ran to 08 already. 17 hit. It held exact, and we got to target. Locking those gains here is leave a runner. Anymore is bonus. Selling your house to buy 250Ks. Let's go. Only trades. Let's go. Bought 4 Apex at 11.55 last night. American Solar's like just under the dip. What's that volatility? What's the question? What do we got? We got our My Funded Futures static account today. What did I end up eating yesterday? Room beats. What did I have? Zaxby's. And Zaxby's. Have I back tested the Mancini or however you spell it? I've never back tested his levels, but you know. Sue got 550Ks with the code. Let's go, Sue. You the man. So, yeah, Zaxby's was good. It was really good. I let the kids kind of decide. They wanted Zaxby's, so had a little bit of a lower trend here. We kind of broke out of it. I feel a little disconnected of sorts, so I'm sure you guys can resonate with that a little bit. How, like, when you just show up late, it's like getting to school late. You know what I'm saying? Like, you feel weird about it. 250K. Thanks, volatility. Thank you. Hopefully you can end up with 2050K. That'd be nice. Oh, yeah, I love the 25Ks. 25Ks are one of my favorites. You guys know that. Yeah, I do need to buy some more 25Ks. Man, this thing's ripping up here. Do we just partake? Do we just simply partake here? Do we just participate? Feels late. Feels late. You showed up at your wedding late? Uh-oh. A little stabby stab. It's a scam. Fake out. Uh-oh. It might be. I mean, it feels like it goes higher here, right? It feels like it pushes into the highs again. I don't know. Obviously, if we were going to take this down here would have been the entry, but I don't know. Maybe we take it. I think, yeah, this is the funded. Yeah, it's hard to pass those, Sue. I struggled with them as well. They faked out all the shorts. Yeah, the 25Ks, I like to be able to take those to pay out and just get rid of them. But we struggled with that this month, but next month, renewed focus, or this month going forward. I probably will. I think I'm going to go ahead and buy an eval right now while I'm talking here. Oops, I hit the wrong button. I'm going to go ahead and buy a 25K just to piddle around with today. I don't really want to use my funded accounts for too much, but we can buy us a 25K here to just kind of mess around with today. I probably will stream Monday morning too, just to kind of like, you know, just to give some entertainment. Now, I will treat this 25K correctly. I'm not just going to be willy-nilly with it. We will actually try to pass. We're not going to be all willy-nilly eating a sandwich, you know? Jen, just because I feel like they're the easiest to get to pay out. and then I just get rid of it. Because you only got to get $100 over. Treat her correctly. I will. I do feel a little naked over here with I'm missing a chart. Where's my other charts at? I would like a 30-second chart up here. Are they behind here? Where are they at? I know I have another bank of charts somewhere. Really, OBS, you disconnected on me already. All right. We're only 6 subscribers away from 3,600. So if you are watching and you're not yet subscribed, you know what to do. Considering going ahead and jumping in now, but we'll wait. Yeah, Jen, I like it because you only got to get 1,600 in profit, and then you can take out 1,500, and it kills the account. That's why. It's part of the reason there. Special giveaway at 420 subs? Maybe. Maybe so. We'll do a giveaway today at 3,600, but it won't be your traditional giveaway. We'll give away a tumbler. I've been holding on to these tumblers for a while. And we could give it to one lucky person. Man, do we short this? Sweep of liquidity. Deliver from a gap. Very small risk. A little low LRLR here. Do we dare short this? Probably not, huh? Where is my 30-second chart at? I'm annoyed that I don't have my 30-second chart. All right, we'll put it over here. Do we dare short this? I don't know. Probably not. Yeah, I have a couple of tumblers I can give away, but we'll see. Kind of grinding higher here. Struggling today, taking 20 trades and up a total of 1.8. Up is up, Jamie. You could be down. Always think of the negative. You could be, no wait, the positive. Always ignore the negative and think of the positive. That's the right way. Green is 100% correct. Green is green. It's kind of grinding here. Not really this, I don't know. We may just chop into the end of the day here. Just kind of chopping around here at best. Just kind of watching here. No real buyers. Let's see if our eval we just purchased is ready to go. Looks like it is. Let's disconnect and reconnect right quick for Apex. I'm going to take a little long ski here. Not going to be looking for anything too crazy. There's something like this, and I'm going to go break even right now. I want to see a push through there. All right, let's go. That's the first trade on the funded account there on that My Funded Futures. Got the first trade out of the way on that one. A little Hunsky. Unix missed your profit target with $1. Otherwise, you held your first. You should be able to get that though, Unix, right? Little Hunsky. New word I just created in case you were wondering. Small 30-second long setup there. Very, very small. I was waiting on the 1 minute, but we got this here for him. So I was like, I don't mind it. I don't mind it. This little teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini. Right there. A little momentum. We took it. We had equal highs here. So that was my break-even stop. Break-even stop, and I just targeted that wick. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Reminds me of the day a few weeks ago, we ran up 2 hours and then chopped for the longest time. Yeah, seems to be. Could be something similar to that. Oh, yeah, I'm on the gray charts today, too. This is what I normally keep to the side. This is not even the right set of charts. That's those. I mean, did I not? Oh, here they are. I don't know how they got over there, but they did. We found them. We located the charts. Okay, here we go. This is the Apex. We're going to be on an Apex 25K here. No other trades for me so far today. Is Bulenox payout cycle by payout request like Apex? No regular person. You can request. They process every Friday after the close of business. You usually get it by Wednesday or Thursday at the latest, and they remove the funds from your account on Tuesday. So they process Friday. It's approved by Tuesday. You receive it Wednesday or Thursday. So you're down Monday. On Tuesday, once they remove the funds, you can go ahead and continue trading. So you're down 1 day basically. 1 day. Is it the silence before the storm? It might be SAAA. What's up, Timbo? What's going on, eBirth? Make the chart background white, and I myself will even find myself way less in the chat box trolling. No. Remember when Nutty's used to be white? Remember when Nutty's background was all white? Missed me this morning? Oh, so sweet, eBirth. Missed you guys too. What can you do? I had dad duties. My son received the AP something. Some sort of AP award, and then he got all A's. He got the whatever principals award for all A's. AP Computer Science Award. Ryan had a good morning. Suck at trading. I suck at trading. I love the name. I mean, seems that way, right? But we are in OTE here, so we could sell down. I mean, right now, let's be honest. We're in an idiot box. Not a very big idiot box, 36 points. So what I would like to see, really before I really even take any trades, I was a little aggressive on the first one, but you want to see something like that or the opposite, right? You don't want to trade the breakout. You really want to wait for the retest. Something like that. Nutty got upset with the market this morning and shut down the stream. Oh, did he? eBirth, I'm not quite sure. Like, I just joined. I just got on the chart, so it's hard. Like, I feel out of touch right now, so I'm kind of wait. Nutty is known for the white, though. Yeah. Tech savvy. Oh, yeah, he is for sure top G. Tried listening to a couple other streamers this morning, but couldn't take the whining. Ryan, we got a winner right here. $130 on our 30K static account that we just got this morning from My Funded Futures. And I had the bot take the opening range trade on our Bulenox funded account. Boom, 250 bucks. Let's go. It's always nice to make a little cash when you're not even on the charts. It's always nice. I got to sneeze, guys. Hold on. Excuse me. Excuse me. But yeah, how everybody's P&L looking today? Is are we winning? We picking up the W today or what? What's up, Kiamber? Hold on one second. Thank you, Top G. Yeah, I have a trading bot, Ryan. It's from Rat Lord. I use the Rat Lord bot, but I don't. I'm only using it on kind of the opening range. So all it does, it just takes the 929 candle, high and low, and then parks in order 2 points above, 2 points below, and it looks for 30 ticks on the second contract and 20 ticks on the first with a 20 tick stop. Today, it would have actually paid like 70 or 80 ticks, but that's all right. I want to find a way to get a runner going on that sometime, but. And then it also, I don't have it set up to take the 5-minute trade. I'm going to start that back next week where it takes the first 5-minute gap after 10. You got clapped on your 50Ks, but your 250s are lit. Let's go, Matt. So 1,300 on 3 times 3 on your Topstep evals. Let's go, Yenix. That's the way to do it. I suck at trading blue through 8 evals. Oh, man. That sucks. That sucks. Well, that's what we're going to be on today. Eval, just not that I'm going to trade it any different. I'm not really. I may take a little more aggressive of a setup, but I'm not really going to trade it any different. I'm going to try to just look for the best setups. And if there's something that I'm just like, whoa, we got to take this on a funded, then we'll take it on a funded. Jen's up 430. Let's go. Had a little Undertaker work to do on the XFA this morning. Uh-oh, Patrick. Am I trading 100K elite accounts? No, Maverick. I'm not trading those. I had those 100Ks elites. I had one where I took the opening range trade with it one day and it went kaboom. And then the other one, I went on tilt one day and just blew it. So, and it was actually like 2 days ago. It was after Elite announced those rule changes, and I was like, I just don't even want to deal with it. There were $22 accounts, which were awesome, but I don't know. Caught buys this morning, targeting equilibrium. Let's go, Ryan. Nice. 1,500 after any NVIDIA call on one eval. Treff, let's go. 1,500 bucks. EQ went up, and I struggled to take a long. Yeah, that's the thing, St. Patrick's. This is what annoyed me. It's like, man, you want me to, like, I don't want to have to sit here and have to do math day to day. I think that's so stupid. Like, you want me, for it to be counted as a trading day, I got to sit here and think about, like, oh, my best trading day was 600 bucks. Okay, this one has to be $417, or something like that. I don't know. Matt needs a flush. Oh, they have another promo. I haven't even looked, Maverick. Honestly, I haven't said anything to you guys about it, but like, I literally just got my first affiliate payout with them, and I've been with them since February, and we are in May. And like, it was like, I could not get anybody through email. I could not get anybody through support. It took me actually threatening them to say like, yo, I'm about to let my audience know that you guys don't pay your affiliates, for them to finally respond and, tell me what I need to do, because their website's unclear as to what you need to do for your payout. There was money just sitting there and I couldn't get it because they never sent it to me. So, but yeah, that's me. I don't want to have to do math. Like, I'm not saying they suck. It's like, it's just a stupid rule. That's all. It's just dumb. It's just dumb. We're talking about Elite Room. Elite Trader Funding. Admiral says free fall Friday. Maybe. I'm going to wait for something here to happen. I want to see the ES lose the 22 if we are going to sell. It's holding up right there at the 22 now. We'd have to get below that. Well, that's a nice little lightsaber there. Do we partake? Do we dare partake? Probably a bad idea, but we'll do it on an eval, I guess. We said we weren't going to trade this any different. We'll keep the same type of stop on it. A close back above like the 900, we'll take it off. Something like that. And we'll look for a dump down maybe into here. Would make sense. Stop will go to break even kind of at this 88 area, 5 points. She heard me ask for it. Yeah, she did, Matt. And now she's going to rip my face off. Oh, no. Got to kind of hold this area. I mean, if I was smart, I probably would have waited for a retrace back up into this like 904, 905 area anyway, but retesting this first gap would kind of make sense, but I don't know if I want to hold it through all that. What's that, Max? Max said something. Holiday weekend reminder only goes up. That's probably right. That's probably a just fine assessment. It does made more sense to short up here, but kind of already had a retest, though. If it doesn't go here, we'll probably just kill it. Kind of buying the bottom of the idiot box, right? Or selling the bottom, which is not the greatest idea. But we'll see. How do you place that level line on the chart that shows the price on it? Reggie, I have no idea. This one? That was just already on here, I believe, when I started trading Quantower. I mean, it's got to be in the settings somewhere, though, right? I'll look in a second. The non-order line. Non-order line. We're going to sell SAAA. What is the non-order line? Am I stupid? I don't know what that is. What the hell is a non-order line? Oh, the targets. I kind of want to wait for it to get to here. To get through there at the 88.50. Didn't push through there yet. You talking about these? These are my stops. These are my brackets. So if you come right here and you turn on simple brackets and you put in your stop loss and your take profit, then you can then it places those and you can just drag. It places those, you can just drag them. Or if you don't want to do that, you can drag a stop and drag a limit after you enter. So back below this wick, I'm going to go break even. Actually, really it's this wick, but I almost went there a minute ago, but it didn't quite make it through there. You have a lot of data on this. Max barking means a short. I met a white boy named Reggie. I have a cousin named Reggie. I have a cousin named Reggie. He's white. All right, Reggie. Appreciate you. Rocket Power has a Reggie. What are we doing here? Come on. This is not the way I like to trade. When I hit enter short, it needs to go immediately. No holding up. Yes, below 22s here. Retesting. Got to stay below. I'm going to keep the trigger on here. If the ES pops above, I'll probably just take it off. Don't want to kick it. I need to kick something. Kick it. I was trying to will it, but it didn't like me doing that. You know, yeah, this is an eval. Yes, testing the 22. What's that, Max? Testing the 22. As it gets above there, I'm going to kill it. Oh. Rejection at the 22 so far. What up, Nordmark? I had dad duties. Kid had awards. Award ceremony. Had to attend. Had to do the dadly duties. What's that, Max? I don't know what you're saying, guy. If I knew. All right, I'm probably just going to kill this. I don't know. Let's see how this candle closes. I mean, 4 green candles in a row is not a good look, right? For your short. The bodies are smaller, though. Got about 15 minutes till top of the hour here. Not today. I took a trade yesterday on it, up about $100 across those. I did hear, Max. Let's go. Rue Pino, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Let's go. Having problems here. It's really having problems here. $500. Let's go, Nordmark. ES kind of moving down here. 21s, 20s. Nasdaq not really moving. Kind of holding up. This candle is going to be my deciding candle. It needs to get through here on this candle. If it fails to get through here on this candle, I'm just going to kill it. More money and more problems. It will shoot. Rude, thank you. Mr. Short on a tick. Yeah. Get it through there. Come on. 15 seconds. Gotta go. Gotta go now. All right, come on. Moving the stop down. I'm done with it. I'm done with it. Break even. Too late to the trade, right? Number one, too late. It's just not going. It's kind of finding support here. I'm out. With the lengthening of the promotion, I think I will grab some more. I'm thinking of it too, Nordmark. I got to look at the news I need to look at the news and see if there's other opportunities to get that passed. Yeah, HL, you're probably right. Like when we struggle this long to go lower, we're kind of at the bottom of the idiot box as well. Makes it difficult, right? Probably goes now. But yeah, I need to look at the news and see what we got over the next week and a half, 2 weeks. So what we have until the 15th or the 16th of next month to activate. So I need to see what we got between now and then for some full sends. Although I do have 5 of those. So I don't know how many I really actually want. Not sure. This thing it'll hit the elevator now. Watch. FOMC is June 11th to 12th. That could be a thing. Leopard shirt and glasses, Gabriel. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's the thing. I just got to find a spot to full send them. If I've got a spot, I might pick up a few more. My only concern, like, I guess it's not really much of a concern. You can take your time with them, right? But you can see mine are basically at like $100, $90. And that's the idea is I'm only going to take these. I'm going to have these all copy traded. And so they will be 1 trade per day, and it's going to be the best trade that I see. If I see a really good trade, it's going to be on those. So we're up 370, 898, and then about 700, I think, on the other one. 50Ks. Then I have some 25s that are already passed. 5 25s already passed that I'm waiting to activate. So I don't want to roll with 20 accounts anymore. I want to keep it like in this area that I'm at now, 8 to 10. That's what I want to keep. I have no idea, Anna. If the dollar is going up, then we should be going down if it's going the correct way. Let's go, Gabriel. You the man. Yeah, non-farm payroll is the easiest way. Non-farm payroll, FOMC, CPI, PPI. As long as we got something between now and then, that's all we need. Hungarian power. That's right. Where's Thomas? Is he asleep? Or is Tom still streaming? So we'll see what happens. Oh, I got a video from my son. Let me check it out. Oops. Oh, it's not. It's the girl. You want to see it? She did her makeup. He's depressed? What? Why would he be depressed? No way Tom's depressed over there. Yeah, Tom's funny. I like Tom. Here, let me see if I can reach this. Oh. I still have these, guys. I want to give these away. We'll give these away today. How about that? We have 2 tumblers. I'm feeling bullish. This is one. And the other one. Oh, if I can reach it. It's under the thing here. Let's give these away. I never did. I said I was last time, and I never did. Take a sip and buy the dip. These are very nice tumblers. These are made by my girlfriend. Hey, Tomas Dobra. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. These are made by her. They are... she does sell these as well. If you got the link in the description for her TikTok here. If you go there, you can go to her shop right there. And then if you want to buy some sort of custom tumbler, you can. She has basically everything in here that you would ever want when it comes to a tumbler. But she custom makes these. You can even have a Methodical Man one made or whatever. You could customize it however you wanted. She has a ton on here. So. And I think she's doing like some sort of deal where if you buy one that's old stock, she throws in like one for free or something. I don't know. So there you go. Check it out if you want. But we'll probably go ahead and give these away today. Get these mailed out to you guys. Let's give these away. Do I recommend trading on Fridays? You had a good week until today. HL, it's one of those things. It's like if you're green on Friday, my cousin Husk does not trade on Friday. He'll trade, but he will not trade on Friday. He won't trade his funded accounts if he's green. Because he does not want, he hates anything worse, nothing worse than going in the weekend with sour taste in your mouth from Friday. So, need the toilet bowl? Poo chip chop. Oh, we have another Hungarian. Is that a Hungarian name? Tomas Dobra. That must be Hungarian. It's worse than watching paint dry. I just need $100 to pass an eval. I was hoping to get it today. Citizen, you're probably going to have your better opportunity between like 3 and 4, I would imagine, but who knows? Do I ever trade offline? Not really, Treff. When you guys see me, when I'm not at the computer, I'm usually like, when I'm not streaming, I try to walk away from the computer. Try my best to. So. Denny Jonapat. I don't know what that means. You lost me, Danny. You lost me. Sandor, Hungarian as well. You need to take a page out of Husk's book, shut it down on Fridays. Yeah, Sue, it's not a bad idea. Like, he literally will do that. I think last Friday he did that. He was green on the week on his fundeds, and he was like, nope. I don't even care if I miss out on whatever on Friday. I'm just not trading it. So, you are Hungarian. Nice. Do you know Tom Sabo? The celebrity known as Tom Sabo. Hungarian Discord server. Well, Tom has one. Tom has one. Told you to exit. Yes, you did. You're a dual citizen, Hungary and U.S. I like it. All right, let's see if this thing starts. Hey, Luke Horan, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Sim Lee, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Sandor's Hungarian. Let's go. UK, I like it. You had this YouTube channel. I think I posted one video. Is 15 years old. Oh man. All right, I started the giveaway there, guys. If you want to join, iCash. Oh my goodness. Exclamation point cash. We're going to be giving away these tumblers. So we're just going to pick 2 people. We'll mail them out to you if you want one. If you want one, you want one. They're nice. They're new. I haven't used them. The straw still has the plastic on it. I haven't used it. And we'll just pick 2 of you guys to get those out to. Couple of custom tumblers. And the other one says, I'm feeling bullish. It's kind of a greenish swirl, sparkly color. Yeah. There you go. I ship it anywhere, Sued. I literally paid almost $50 to ship one to somebody a couple of months back. I shipped them to anywhere. Woo, look. Oh my goodness. I looked away for a moment. I like that. That's what we needed. It's too late now. But that little clean inversion that's set up right there. Retest there, a little clean, close below. You would have had to take it on momentum there, but we missed it. There she blows. There she blows. Yeah, I'll send it. If you win, we'll send it anywhere. It's fine. We'll send it anywhere. Try to do something at, like every 100 or so subscribers. I try to do something for you guys. We can't go overboard with it because we're not rich over here, trust me, by any stretch of the imagination. So we can't give away hundreds, 20 accounts at a time and stuff like that, like some people do, but we try to spread it as much as we can. Yeah, I would have probably hit the stop loss room. I probably would have held it for a retest here, but I would not have liked this momentum. I probably actually would have closed it. So I think it's fine. Infinite, yeah, I'm sure Australia. I mean, whatever. Who cares? Have a good weekend. You need to relax. I don't blame you, HL. You too. Mark of the Beast, buy or sell, and all of Earth out of what? Have I heard the mark of the beast to buy or sell? No. Never heard of that, Fraser. Don't know what you're talking about there. You lost me. You lost me. Not sure if you can share whatever you want, man. You know me. I don't care. Black Beauty, she shares like CL and stuff she's thinking. I welcome it. I welcome it. Got about 10 minutes if you want to enter the tumbler giveaway. The tumbler giveaway. My hat's got something on it. I just noticed that. What is that? Is that a Max hair? I don't know what that is. Accountability. What's up? Was that a stop hunt? It might have been. Right. We never made it to this wick. This could be setting up for another long stab. Let's see here. Eyes are bad here, so. Are those even? 915.75. Yeah. So we do have little equal highs there. Problem is, like, even if this delivers from this gap, it's not really. It's the bottom of the idiot box. So, like, as far as that goes, it might make sense to have a buy there. But it's not in discount. Even if we just said, all right, we're going to measure this leg here. Even if we're just measuring this leg, we need the 850s. You pull back into the 850 area. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. We're sliding down like yesterday. Maybe. I really don't know. Nordmark, I looked away. I didn't take it because I looked away. I looked away there. But that made sense, right? We pushed back up into that. Delivered from there. We're in a premium here. So like that short did kind of make sense, but your scale and break even would have been that wick there. So not a huge winner, but a winner nonetheless. Let's see. I feel like, yeah, this is on an ad. I was like, that doesn't sound like a song I'd be listening to. NQ should dump. It might. I mean, like, we're at a spot here that we don't, you expect maybe it sells more here. You expect maybe this area to hold. Something like in there. I mean, it's not a bad short from there. Stop would be, it's not the way I trade. Buy low, sell high. It's the only way to do it. Or buy low, sell low. That happens to me sometimes too. You ever heard of that? Anybody else trading that strategy? Buy low, sell lower? I don't know. Oops. Bright light. We got about 6 minutes here left in the giveaway. If you guys want to put your name in the hat for a tumbler there. For a free tumbler. Mancini says today the plan was long as 52.94 held. We rallied to 08, 17.22. We held 52.94 and got up here. All bonus here. Don't overtrade. Okay, 17 now support. Raphael, good morning. Good afternoon. It's not morning. I don't know, man. I mean, like, if we believe this sells down to OTE, this would not be a bad look, right? If you think this gets down into like the 850s, 860s, I just still feel like it's like the second entry in the leg. Void, good morning, good afternoon. Is it signed? No, it's not signed. I could probably sign it, but I don't know. Seems a little weird. Seems weird. I'm no celebrity here. But we could scribble on it if you wanted me to. I actually signed my name like 4 times at the courthouse this morning. I had to go get my concealed carry permit renewed. And I was like, man, I feel like I'm in school again. I mean, should I target lower than the wick? I don't know. I guess we'll target there. I'm taking this already, so do I have a gold pin? Yeah. Oh, okay. I mean, I can sign them if you want me to. It don't matter. Yeah, I had to go get the concealed carry permit renewed. This is more of an aggressive entry. I mean, think about it. We're at the bottom of the idiot box. Very similar to the one I took earlier. We do have a little more displacement to the downside here than we kind of had earlier. Earlier, we were just kind of slowly grinding there, but a little more displacement to the downside this time. Going to watch the ES here as well. If it kind of pops back up over that 22 area, we'll take it off. Want to see it flush down, touch the 22 or the 17s, and give us what we need here as well. If it gets to 17 before we get to our target, we may take it off, so we'll see. 78.75 will be the break-even stop. Haircut looking fresh. Let's go. Oh. Volatility. Do you even have hair? You know, that's what I get asked all the time because I wear hats like you do. Do you even have hair? Do you even have hair? That's right. Top G, we can make it red or green. We have that ability. Actually, I have a good head of hair. Let's go. Yeah, I'm shorty bird. This is on an eval. I wouldn't say I have a good head of hair volatility. I like to keep my hair very short. My girlfriend actually recommends it. She loves it. She prefers it to be long, but I don't know. I just like it short. I don't have to do anything to it. Typical guy, right? Typical guy. Man, I kind of want to add here. I'd like to scale one at 78, but oh well. We're in a 25K account here, so we don't really have the ability to add on a mini. I would like to have just scaled at 78. I think that would have made sense there, but all right, dropping it. Watching the ES here as it approaches the 17. We will take it off if it gets there first, or if we feel like it's going to poppy. Actually, we could just trail it down. Oh, you darn. Well, the ES actually did not hit 17 there. All right, should go now. Go. Go. Now I'm going to go. There we go. Now it should go. Or we'll just take the 5 or 6 handles, whatever. You know, we're kind of targeting below the imbalance here, which seems reasonable. Still in premium, but it probably gets there. Room's in a long. Target 890. All right, we got about 1 minute left in the tumbler raffle, guys. We're just going to pick 2 winners. Not too many entrants right now. Exclamation point cash if you want to join. Right now, only about 30 people in there. So you got a 2 out of 30 chance, 1 in 15 odds of winning. And ES bounced off the 17. That was kind of my concern there. You can see we have 17 marked out as support on ES there. So you can see that's why I was wanting to move my stop quickly. Doesn't mean it can't get through there. It certainly can, but just stop it there. Oh. Well, I mean, you know, these, we'll show them one more time. We got a couple more minutes here. I'm feeling bullish. This is one. And this is the other. Take a sip and buy the dip. And the first person will get to choose theirs. I'm going to give it a couple of more minutes on the giveaway here. Hold on one second. A couple of more minutes on the giveaway. So exclamation point cash if you want to enter. Make sure that Streamlabs gives you a ticket. If they don't, enter again. Try again. Give it just a couple more minutes and then we'll give these puppies away. So it looks like the target probably is going to get hit here. I'm going to move up to the 5 minute here. Just take a quick peek. I did not mark out. Hey, let's go. Keep on fishing. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. I'm adding time like Alpine. 15-minute cup and handle. I was trying to mark out the opening, the initial balance here. Should be there, right? Do we have any initial balance test trades today? So that's the high. All these lines down here. So that's the high and the low. So really pushed above, retest, and went. Where can you use Rhythmic Ninja? I don't know if there is a Rhythmic web version. Is there? Does anybody know? I'm thinking. Is there a web version for Rhythmic? I don't know that there is. Oh, there is, Gabriel. Is it just Ninja? Is it like a web version of Ninja? All right. It's quite primitive. All right, guys, you got 10 seconds to get in there. Explanation point cash if you want to join the giveaway for the raffle. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at this here right quick. Let me double check it. 74, 74, 74. This thing could push up here and wreck me, but oh, that's what it's doing too. Probably should have. See, this is what I do sometimes. Like, I should have waited for a setup to come back to here. Instead, I didn't. Just going to take it off, and then we'll wait for a setup to come back there. Oh, come on. I'm in the raffle in just a minute, guys. I'm just interested in this run back down to... You don't know if you answered, but could you explain the Dave Teaches FX strategy? I have a video on it. Room beats. But, I mean, essentially it's just a low, a higher high, a lower low, a retrace into 50%, continue down, and you enter off the retrace. So your entry would be here. That's really all it is. Use the 15-second chart, 30-second chart, that sort of thing. Let's go, Andy. Appreciate you. You demand. This one I'm looking at, Joey, we have a triple equal lows down here, too, at 74. It's also a 1 minute. It's a 1 minute setup, too. I tried to just jump in here, which was stupid. I should have waited. Should have waited for a proper setup there, and I did not. What's up, Tech T? If you guys haven't already, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet. Subscribe. Let's go. Tumbler time. Yeah, we can go ahead and do it. All right, we got about 10 seconds left in the tumbler giveaway, guys. I'm going to end it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And closing entries. All right, go ahead and get it in there, Tech T. Hurry up. Get it in there. Get it in there. I pay attention here. Shit. All right, let's see if it'll run through those equal lows down there. And then we'll do the giveaway. Come on, you want to do it. Go. Do the giveaway in a minute, guys. I'm in this trade. As soon as we're out of it, we'll really. Come on, man. Annoying. This thing's just kind of chopping around here, huh? We have triple equal lows below, so I'm thinking that we would run through those. Not really my normal setup, but we'll see. I want to see this candle close back below the 85s. Not making a bad day worse. I don't blame you, Sue. Woo, look at that rippy. Yes, popping the 22s here. Trying to, anyway. I have no idea. I have no idea. Some interesting kind of volatility here, right? Volatility. Dump it. Did it hear me say dump it? I'd feel a lot better about it if this can close below the 85s there, like we said. Got to keep saying it. Dump it. Oh, it's just doing dirty things here. Just waiting. Just waiting. Dirtiness, dirtiness, dirtiness. Hey, Coder 4 Team. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. This thing is just idiot boxing. Come on. We just failed to close below here. I guess if we kind of pop the whole numbered area there, we'll take this off, but you need a long to work out, JX? It might. I mean, right now we're just chopping around. Problem is, I know if I take it off, it will it'll just dump. But we may need to wait for a better spot. Dun, 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 dun. All right, I'm just going to kill it. Look for, like, I took this. It's not really an entry, right? I took it just based off the fact that I thought it was just going to go there. I think trades, they don't ever work. Hydra with a $2 donation. What do I think of ICT? I don't really think much of him. I mean, I think he's he's a good teacher or whatever. His concepts work. I just, yeah. I mean, obviously I use the inversion gaps. I'm not like a hardcore ICT person, but I use his concepts, so there's that. Now short. I don't know. ES back above 22 strong here. I mean, I still kind of wish that we would have sold down a little more there, but looking like we're going to make new highs here. ES pushing the 25s. What do we have above here? I don't think I have it marked out. All right, let's go ahead and get the giveaway going. I forgot about it. All right, let's do this. So I'm going to pick the first winner, and then and that person will get to pick which one they want first, and then the other one can pick. Will obviously get the second one. Zebek D. Shanks, are you in the chat there? Zebek. Guys, you're a little late. Zebek DeShanks, are you in there? Step forward. Hey, Zebek, which one do you want? Which one do you want, Zebek? The dark one or the light one? No, we're doing a this tumbler or this tumbler. I'm feeling bullish or buy the dip. The dark one. All right, so Zebek wants the dark one. Let me write this down because I'll forget. Zebek, I'm going to need you to send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. I'll put it up there in a minute. And the second winner is Solo Trading. Are you here? Solo Trading is Solo Trading here. Where you at, Solo Trading? Make yourself known. Solo Trading. Are you here, Solo Trading? Solo Trading. Where you at? Is that you, Volatility? Solo Trading. You got just a little bit more time here, and then we're going to pick someone else. I'm on the 2-minute. Solo Trading, 10 seconds. Come on. How does that not close below there? Hey, Avishal Kusal. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Let's go. All right. I am going to pull another name, I guess. Solo Trading. I don't see you. Darrow's partying up in the SS. Uh-oh. The trailing drawdown. All right, let's pull another name here. Actually, I'm not going to move to break even just because we have the equal lows below. We should go there. So a little risky here, not moving the stop, but I'm going to pull another name here. Solo trading is no longer here, I guess. I don't know. Accountability King, are you here? Accountability King. All right, there's my email accountability King. You'll be getting the buy the dip one. And Zinnik, I can't say the name. I wrote it down. Zebek. Send me an email there with your address, and I will get those mailed out to you in the next day or two. Appreciate you. It's rigged, volatility. It's rigged. Rigged. Scam. SMT with the ES. Is there? Yeah, I guess there is. I didn't even care about the SMT. I'm just looking at mainly this. I may put this one down a little bit lower here, but I don't want to fight with the 200 there. I guess we do have a pivot point at 75. Just now seeing that, right where these bounced at. Wall Street is rigged, for sure. Maybe. Rigged to make us think that we can win. We could close the trade now and be break even on the day, but who wants to do that? So even when this hits, we'll only be up a couple hundred. Seller's got to push it on down. Elevator, please. That's what I'm saying. Elevator. He creates aliases accounts, calls one of them, seems like they signed out to make some, seems real. What? Oh, I don't know. Me? Oh, goodness. Well, no bueno. This is just kind of the dirtiness we're going to get, and then it'll eventually take these out. It might shake us out before it does it. I don't know. I mean, really? Going to come 3 points away from it and then rip back up. What are you doing? I'm about to add. I'm going to add. What you think about that? I was only kidding. I was only kidding. Be nice. Uh-oh, DCA. I forgot. Oh. What size do you use on the 250K? You think of 2 to 4 minis? Yeah, if I'm trading it normally, probably like 2 to 4. I mean, we're in 3 minis right here on this 25K. Probably not a smart thing to be doing. But probably not the smartest thing in the world to do. No, it's not a PA Nordmark. This is just a eval. The criminal. Man, it really is struggling to go lower here, huh? I mean, I did wait for a setup. The entry here, I mean, I guess it did give us 15 points almost, but which in a choppy market's pretty solid, but still. Got to get the stop up there. Do we just move this target down too? May as well, right? Do we just put all the targets right here? No real reason to leave on a runner, I don't think. No real reason to leave a runner on there, I guess. Wow. You want to see full port 250K account with 2 minis? It's hard to do with 2 minis. Oh, targeting 4 ticks. 27 minis. Oh, man. That's what we were watching, in case you're wondering. I'm thinking of adding one more. If we're going to blow it, we blow it in style, right? Blow it in style. We'll take one more on a retest. See if we get tagged in. All right. It might blow in a glorious fashion here. We'll see. We're going all in on this one inversion. Equal lows down there at 74s. We're not moving the stop. We're not moving the stop. Really? I guess the trailing might get us here. I didn't even think about that. I forgot about the trailing. The trailing drawdown. It's got to go here, right? Down. Dump it. Dump it. That's not the dump. You're in a long room. You dirtiness room. Why are you going to fade me like that? Why are you going to try to fade me, room? It's all good, room. I forgive you. I forgive you. It's all good, room. You're forgiven. dump it to the number 2 day trader on YouTube. Let's dump it down to our target. Dump it. Let's dump it. I'm trying to give it a little Patrick Whelan look here. Let's see if it can do it. Got to get through this low here. Come on, give it the dump. All right, it ain't working. I'm taking it off. It's out of here. It's out of here. Oh. Number 2, Patrick's number 1, guys. We know this. Can't argue with him. Alrighty. No Nord mark on that one. That was just a like a filler trade. Like I knew it was like kind of like this. It was like triple equal lows, and I jumped in for just a quick scalp. Number 1 scammer? I don't know. Is he? Oh goodness, guys. It's putting in higher lows. It's not looking good. It's putting in higher lows. I need to see this low broken, or this one at least. Come on. Got to see the low broken. Come on. Problem is we're in such large size here on this 25K that the trailing might just get us here. So, I mean, I think it goes to the 74. It's just how does it get there? It's the problem. Did that today as well, right? After opening, took 4 minutes long and points hit. Yeah. Here's the thing. Like, I know if I take it off here, it's just going to dump through there without me. Which, I mean, it's not the end of the world, I guess, but... All right, maybe we'll take some size off. $3 commission loss. Uh-oh. I mean, it's the thing is like, I know it's going to go, but you know, I've been in it so long, it's just not going. Sometimes you just got to eat the loss, I guess, or just take the break even, accept it. I mean, if it gets like below this wick here, I'll add back. I'm going to move these back up. I think if it gets below this wick, I'll add back for the run through the low there. So I can actually go ahead and put these on here. Like, we'll say maybe like right in there. Because once it gets down here, it should really just dump right through there, right? You'd think. If it gets down there. Add some scalpers. I don't know, something like that. Yeah, we're short. Bullish divergence. Could be. Again, I mean, like, hold on one second. Oh, thanks, Isaiah. We appreciate that. All right, this thing's got to go now. It's got to go now. I'm going to move my stops down once we get tagged in there. I want to just see it run through there. They should just run, I think, once we get below that wick, but we'll see. Not, we'll lock some in here. Just like, it's only 5 handles, right? It's not very much. I've not dropped it yet, so. Actually, you know what? It's kind of stupid to move the stop. Let's just leave it up here. Good morning, crypto. Barcoding's right, Isaiah. Oh, yeah, it's going to go now. It's still bullish. I'm just targeting these equal lows down here. Matt Scalper. That's all I'm doing. I feel like we've tried to target these a lot here just to get a little of nothing. Yes, just hanging out at the 20 there. All right, this thing needs to go now. I wouldn't do it. Isaiah, don't do it. Oh, my goodness. I'm not going to let it go red on me. We may re-enter. We'll see how price reacts. Yeah, it's just taking so long, and it's not really moving. I don't want to let it go red on me there. We'll re-enter if we need to, or if we can. Lost another 2 evals. That sucks. Yes, approaching the 22 again. I feel out of sync myself, but $25 cons. You saw this play before. Yeah, we'll see. If we close above here, I might long to that high there. I would have liked a little more of a pullback. The ricochet, that's right. You stopped trading at noon. I'm on an eval, so like it's fine. Yes, right there at the 22s. Let's see if we can pop it. Can it pop it? He was down 400, up $2 now. Let's go. Yeah, Mad Scalper. That's all good right there, right? I mean, like, this does feel like a long type of setup. I mean, we're bouncing between two imbalances, right? Kind of holding this one and bouncing into this inversion. So, like, in this area, it could just ping pong back and forth. We do have the triple equal lows here, but they're right next to each other. Do they mean a lot? Probably not, but they are there. Yeah, we do have a downtrend line as well, kind of like boop. And we do have an SMT there with the ES. ES took this high out, Nasdaq did not. So there is a bearish SMT here. Not that it means a lot, but down 30K. And evals? I hope it's evals. I suck at trading. Yeah, equal lows on the 5 minutes, right? Yeah, I mean, that's the thing. Like, it looks like it wants to get tagged, but, like, such a tough, just having such a hard time getting there. We'll take a little stab here, a little stabby. And I may see if we get a little runner going here. If it wants to break this trend line to the upside. See if we get a little runner going. Yeah, that sucks. So at the 906, we'll break even. I think a run into this area makes a lot of sense, kind of 910. Maybe we make a new high here. Let me get that yellow line off there. We don't need to see that. Oh, 933 buy side liquidity. Maybe. Might try to leave it on for 930, so we'll see, Duke. See, I just wanted a little more of a pullback there to kind of get to OTE on that leg, and we just didn't do it. And also to sweep those equal lows. Actually, 75 may have been OTE. I might have forgot about that. I did measure it. I don't remember where it was now. I thought it was a little bit lower than that. Yeah, it was 53s. Now she's going. Hitting a brick wall right there, 904s. Got to get past this downtrend line. Yeah, we'll see, Mad Scalper. I don't know. Took off 20. Let's go. Nice job, Trader's Edge. Let's see what we get. Yeah, I mean, like, I guess it should have been a telltale sign there when, like, not that we lost money on this one. We didn't. But it's like, when it's just refusing to go lower like that, it's kind of your telltale sign that it's probably not going to do it. Should punch right through 906s. Now, this area is the next area of question. Really, this is the only thing holding us down here. We'll see how we react to that area. We'd like to see a run right through there, obviously. Stops moving up to break even now. Can't lose on it. Closed $25 in the negative. So let's move this up to at least guarantee a break-even day. So stops at least guaranteeing a break-even day on this. We'll see. Ready for lift-off. Let's go. If we can close above that box right there, 913s, then that would be a great sign for the bulls. You want to turn this into some support. We cleared out that wick. We may not go any higher, but we'll see. Feels like we do, but we might get stopped out in the process. Hopefully not. Hopefully it can turn this area into some support and continue up. Well, let's just see. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. If you didn't know, Apex extended the 90% off sale. The 250K account is still at, what, $17 with an $85 activation fee. And the $85 activation fee, I think, is good through June the 15th or 16th, so you have that long to activate it or pass it. And 90% off the other accounts, the 50Ks, all evaluations. And Bulenox is also 90% off option 1 accounts as well. Apex, yes, Apex, 90% off room. They extended the sale. They extended the sale. Well, honestly, I don't love where my stop is, but Duke, I think it's the best value right now if you can pass it. It's a really good account if once you get it passed, but it's a little harder to pass. So I like the 50K still, but the 250, like I said, it's kind of hard to pass. Just could not get back above that resistance there, it looks like. It feels bad. Just did not have the power to go. Yeah, the 250K is still whatever, the same cost as the 50K is. It's like $17, I think. Something like that. Is this thing really going to do me dirty there? Wow. Oh. Am I sure? Yeah, I'm sure. Oh, was that the shock of the hour? I didn't even notice that. Yeah, I'm absolutely sure Apex is still 90% off. I'm sure. You got till June the 15th or the 16th. I can't remember which one to activate it. I'll read the email in a minute. I'm going to take another shot at it here. I'm going to move my stop pretty quickly on this one. All right, stop's going to be moved now. It's got to just go if it's going to go now. It's got to go. Got to go. The shock of the hour got me. Second stage booster separation. I like it. Oh, you dirty mother trucker. How's that two-tick me like that? Was going to exit, but we'll give it a chance. There we go. All right, Apex 90% off sale extended for Memorial Day. One-time PA discount on the 250K accounts extended until June 15th. So there you go. So it's extended through May 30th for the discount for the 90% off, and then you got until June 15th to activate the 250K if you go with that for the $85. Have you traded the big boys yet? What's the big boys? Oh, yeah. I've traded them. Not today, though. Not today, crypto. I'm on an eval today. I did take one scalper Rooney on these yesterday for like $90. It was like a triple equal high, triple equal low situation, and I could get like 4.5 points out of it. But I really haven't taken very many trades today. 250 on the opening range. And then my funded futures 30K static account, 130 this morning or as soon as I got on. And then right now we're on an Apex 25K eval. We're up $78. Little fight there. You passed it. Let's go, Carlos. I like it. So, lifetime, $85 soon beats. That's correct. Oh, nobody told you? The target's 15,000. You can use 27 minis if you want. And you can, your drawdown 6,500. So it's a little difficult to pass. Nice job, Trader's Edge. Still got your fives running. Let's go. Yeah, I agree with you, Trader Edge. When we held this, like once we held this, and like sometimes I get tunnel vision, if you will, when I see something like this. So while I did not take a loss on it, well, technically I did because I tried to get it right here, right? So I lost 11 points, and then we fought to get back a couple entries to basically get to break even. But yeah, sometimes I get a little tunnel vision on those. How much for payout on the 250K? It is $6,600 to get to your first payout. You can take out $3,000 per cycle. Yeah, I mean, makes sense, right? Makes sense. You lost your first PA this morning. Lesson learned, don't trade before coffee. Oof. That sucks, Kevin. It's always a rough day when you lose PA, right? I mean, I have a lot of experience doing it, trust me. A lot of experience losing the PAs, unfortunately. But I'm trying to be much more conservative with these than I have been being. And just kind of ease them along, you know. Get them to where they need to be. Like today, it's holiday weekend, right? Where the market's only open half day on Monday. Like, is there a reason to be aggressive today on a PA account? The answer is no. Now, has there been movement? Yeah. I mean, there was movement this morning before I got on, right? If you were able to capitalize on this, then yeah, you know, that's nice. That's not bad PA. But this here, I mean, we've just been idiot boxing ever since, what, 11:10? 3 hours? Yeah, 3 hours in a 40-point range here. That's not good. Now, you could long the bottom and sell the top. It works until it doesn't. But she works until she doesn't. Yeah, it looks like it's moving up, right, Isaiah? 1.2.3. Let's go. Not bad. Well, actually, yeah, that is kind of bad. Size is the problem. I agree, Carlos. Water stuck in the short. The trailing room beats is $6,500. So that's kind of what gets you, right? Because if you go 27 minis, if you full send that thing and it doesn't go right to your target and it pulls back at all, you only got about 10 points of drawdown. So let's say if it goes into profit 8 or 9 points and you need like, what do you need on those? 112 ticks. So 40, 80, that's almost 30 points, like 27 points. So if you go 8, 9, 10 points into profit and then it pulls back to your entry, it's going to blow the account. That's the problem with full porting it. So no, I'm not short eBirth. I was in short earlier, but we covered. We flipped long once we closed above this inversion. Once we closed above the inversion, we took a long there for a little, 7-point winner, and then break even on the second one. And then there was a small 30-second long setup here that I re-entered and took a little pop there. I was going to target the 30s. I mean, it feels like that's probably where we go, but I figured on this push up here, I probably get stopped out if I move my stop. So oh, you was in 5 from 12 to 15 exited 4 of them. Let's go. Trader's Edge took the exit there. Nice job. Jim now. Leave it. Mine's saying sell, sell, sell. Oh, yeah. If it was a 1-to-1, yeah, for sure, Jamie. Like, it'd be easy to do. Excuse me. Do we have an SMT here? I guess we do. I don't think that SMT is going to last, though. ES looks like it's wanting to go. It's just lagging behind a little bit. There is a bearish SMT, though, but I guess we got a little low resistance liquidity here. I mean, it makes sense for this maybe sell back to this spot. Oof. There she goes. There she blows. That's interesting. Yeah, it is holding right now. It didn't look like it was going to. That's a great exit on your part there, trader. It's funny you typed that right when I was saying it. Done for the day. Let's go. Nice job, Isaiah. I mean, we still have these triple equal lows down here. Is this the time it wants to come back and clean that up? Maybe. What's up, future trader? Nice job, Trader's Edge. Trader Edge. Hey, it doesn't matter how many you buy. Just got to get some there. I don't know. This is not normally how I trade. Do I get my face ripped off if I short here? Probably. was considering it. I don't know. It's just... All right. Oh, I am on the 30-second chart. I didn't even realize that. We might take a high risk long here. We'll see. I did not even realize I was on the 30-second chart there. Doesn't really make a huge difference, but... So a close above this line, I take a long. Very high risk because we're so high in the leg. But we still might do it. Was looking for the feel the hourly imbalance. Oh, I don't know futures. I don't have the hourly. I can't. My other charts are like... My setup today is weird. It's weird for me. Let me see. Let me get the hourly on here. No, we still have the imbalance of, well, it's at 34.75. I legit thought that was going to close above. What happened here? Unix is in a short. I'm long Unix. I want to see a close above my little magical yellow line there. I'll add a second one if we can close above there. But it's just being a roadblock for me right now. Well, I feel better about it, Trader's Edge or Future Trader, if we get if we could close above here. Without closing above there, it's not really a valid entry for me. Still high risk, very risky trade. Close above will make it kind of a valid entry, and I can add to it. But the unwillingness to close above there is not a great look right now. All right, we'll take one more. I'll take it off here at the highs. Just a little scalpy. Hey, let's go wet and softly. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. And now it's, look at this. If I get a dirty close here, then I'm just going to slap the Nasdaq. Oh, not really. Oh, goodness. All right, above that wick there at the 21 area, we should just run. You can do it. Rip it up. Pump it up. You want more. Womp, 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 womp. 20K incoming. Let's go. Welcome in wet and softly. Monday is a bank holiday. You're all right. Only goes up. It's not doing it yet, though, design. Not yet. What's up, Danny? What do you do now? I'm long right now, but yeah, not necessarily in love with it. Above this wick, I want to see a quick run into the highs. Because above this wick, I'll probably just go to break even, which we might get stopped, but just following the rules. It should run now. And if it doesn't run now, we don't want to be a part of it. Should go. And there it is. Stops at break even there. We're going to target that 33 area. We might get stopped on the runner, but we want to see it just go to the moon, to the moon. Yeah, I finally got the close above. Yeah, I'm long, eBirth. Was that 80 to 84% profit trades whenever you're able to read? Nice. Why are you a wimp, Jamie? Why are you a wimp? You didn't take it? You didn't hold? You didn't hodl? You didn't hold on for dear life? You got to hodl, Jamie. You got to hodl. Risk-free trade now. Carolina, I wish that to the moon. Man, look today. Market very gassed. Yeah. It's ripping. That's for sure. She's a ripping. She's a ripper. She's a runner. ES trying to pop the high here. Approaching the 28. Needs to get above that 29.25 to get it going. Oh, no. Dude, you're supposed to go get the other side of the runner, not that side. We need the take profit side. You got bottom tick. Oh, man, that sucks. It finished the cup and handle in 1 minute, so I entered. Let's go. That sucks, Unix. It's always hard to find a spot to short when we're so close to all-time highs until you get through the all-time highs, and even then it's a bit tricky. It's a bit tricky even then. It's a weird feeling day. It's already 2 p.m., 2:20, and I feel like it's like very early in the morning. I guess that's what happens when you get a late start. And now this is just risk-free. This is the best trades, right? Stops at break even. You got a target. You just wait. Unfortunately, it didn't work out, but that's fine. ES failed to put in a higher high there. So we have another SMT here. I don't know that these SMTs are going to matter all that much up here, but maybe they do. I don't know. Yeah, they actually need to mark that out. I should have left that there. Like you would think that maybe this area would hold, but it doesn't look like it's going to. Little retest of the gap here. Let's see what happens. Oh, you was meaning for that to be added on to what you previously typed. Ah. Let me see what you said, Isaiah. Been rough. Weekly recap. 4250K AP PAs total of 50 trades at 74% profitable. 24,000 profit total for the week. Hey, rough. That looks pretty good to me. Was that 88? Yeah, I get it. Let's go, crypto. Nice. Isn't the rule to short the weakest of the two sisters? Futures, yeah, you could. I don't trade the other one though. I watch it, and it's dumping now, but I don't typically watch it. Like if we got a close below there without hitting this swing, I probably would have took the short. That was interesting. Nice job. I might participate here aggressively. Let's see. Maybe like right here. Let's look for a push down. Going to kind of target this previous support area. We do have those equal lows down there, though. We could dump right to those quickly. We have room to. But we'll just take the low-hanging fruit here. Take the 10 points. Back below that most recent low there, right here, I will go to break even. So back below 97.50, I'll go to break even. I don't know if I love the look at the ES here. Let's see if the ES starts to pop back up here or not. Might have just been a stop run there on that pullback, kind of like we had here before we went higher, so you never know. We are in a tad late on this for sure, but I think it's still okay, still reasonable. Had that little untested wick there. That's what I was looking to enter off of. All right, so back below the low, I'm going to go to break even. As I want to see some more expansion below that low. There we go. So below the low there, we're going to break even. Wanted to see this thing just continue lower. Would like to see it just continue lower here. Would be ideal. That's the expansion we wanted to see. And I'm just going to take it there. Not going to be picky here. Just going to take it there. Quick little 8.5, 9 points there. I mean, like, that's pretty easy read, right? Nice flush. Nice sweep. We have an untested wick here. I had a stop run on it earlier. So nice little untested wick on a little pushback up. We use that as our entry and go from there. It was up 1287 on each account today. Went negative and stopped today at 720. Yeah, Isaiah, but you still had a great week, man. I look like Michael? No. You'll send one set up here as always. Good call for short, yeah. Where's Trader Oracle at? Oracle in here? Did I miss Oracle? Oracle, how's it going? Long tail June, great exit. Yeah, only trades. You got to use common sense sometimes, right? To me, like, you know, that's just a logical bounce spot. I mean, if we're looking to exit, if we're looking to enter off something like, you know, support resistance, then this is similar bounce spot. Thank you, John. Mad Scalper, that was point of control. Yeah, I don't even use point of control. People tell me where it is a lot of times, but... And also you got to think, what do we always talk about? That first push below the whole number usually consists of a push back above. It never usually sticks, right? Usually you push below, it's going to retest 10 and then kind of go lower. So logical to kind of get a bounce out of this 90 to 95 area. So just take my points and call it a day. Yeah, that's the thing, Isaiah. You kind of, like, a tough day, you recognize tough day, you still took profit. Like, you're not finished the day in the red. So we got to just, hey, man, a green day is a green day. Something's going on here water fasting, I'll tell you that. Interesting price action, that's for sure. I think we dumped down into the 70s here. We may even retest initial balance down there at the 30s. I mean, that's possible, right? 50s? 50s? I'm not even sure where 70s kind of land in this entire... I mean, if I just fib from this here, then you think that we move back into the 60s. 55s? Maybe. See, these triple equal lows are sitting above equilibrium, so I think this is a good target. You could maybe hold a runner down here for initial balance or something, but I don't know that we get it. It feels like one of those days where every dip is just being bought. I mean, it doesn't feel like it. That is kind of what's been happening, right? Right back into the chop zone, too. Right back into the idiot box. Back into our 40-point range here. So, essentially, we never left it. If we look at it like this, I mean, we popped above that idiot box by 7 points. So, essentially, we never really left it. So, this is actually a really logical short area, right? No real displacement above it. 7 points. Elevator incoming. Juker in the house. Let's go. Haven't seen Juker in a long time. We had a little elevator right there, Juker. We didn't participate in the elevator so much, but we got in a little retest. Yeah, I think 50s makes sense, but we'll see there, Isaiah. I don't know. I thought 50s made sense when I was chasing the short down here too, right? I thought 75s at least for sure and 50s beyond, and the market just said no. I think not. Please tell me how high the NQ went before this flush. Well, it went right there. 926. 926. And you got that 1 hour imbalance on the 1 hour chart is up at 934. Let's go back to the 1 minute here. I just realized I'm still on that old dirty girl. So now this gap's really invalid. I've been doing good. Yeah, we got some payouts last month, Juker. This month was a struggle because I sized up. So, like, every time I got close to a payout on my 25Ks or whatever account it was, I sized up and tried to get, like, the minimum ticks needed and blew the accounts. So, yeah, we are not doing that next month. Not doing that. So, I actually could take another payout right now from Topstep. I qualify for, like, a $700 payout right now, but I'm not going to take it because it only leaves me $700 in the account. So, I'm not going to take the payout. We'll get a little more money in there. Like I said, you could see 74s here. You could see 50s. We could also rip right out of this level. I mean, we're kind of like in the middle. Do we want to diddle in the middle? Below this low here. 90s, low 90s kind of makes sense. Maybe 90 quickly. We'll see what we get. Thank you, Hinnock. If you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe. If you're not yet subscribed, let's go. Oops, my bad, Juker. I told you I wouldn't ask for no more subscriptions after I got above 1,000. It's hard not to, though, right? Next week, Isaiah, it's open until 11 a.m. Central. 11 a.m. Central on Monday. So that's noon Eastern, I think. If I remember correct, let me double check that for you right now. Appreciate you, Juker. Noon, yep. What do we got, Trader Edge? One setup, only setup you take short. Let me check it. So you have like so you're shorting kind of in that same area. What in the hell? Pressure short to get out. Yeah. Do I trade NQ and ES most of the time? Caleb, yeah, mostly you're just going to see me trade NQ. I will take an occasional trade on the ES. I watch the ES all the time. So, yeah, that's exactly what Trader Edge just said. Like, I don't think the ES is trash, but it's just too slow for me. Like, I like the fast moves. So I mark out the levels based on Adam Mancini's information. I mark out support and resistance, and then I just look at trading. I look at shorting, like, for example, like we broke through, retest. I'm okay with taking a short as long as we hold below the 22, right? But if price popped back above this, then that kind of gives me the idea that maybe my short over here is not going to work, right? So like right now, if you're in a short, retest, hold, looks like we want to make it down to 17, right? And that's mainly what I use it for. And you see what we bounced off of there, 90. I said back below that low, we go to 90 fast. Now, why do I pick 90? What do we have here? We have a very small imbalance here, very tiny one. But that's kind of your next area that we might bounce in. I don't expect it to do anything there, but that would be like, that's why you think it below this low, it goes there fast. It's kind of how I look at the market when I'm looking for targets. I'm just looking at imbalances, fair value gaps, sometimes up close candles, just depends on where they're at, that sort of thing. That's how I lay out my targets and stuff. Do NQ contracts have the theta like stop options? I have no idea, Hold Evader. Isaiah Pugh with a $4.99 dono. Let's go. You the man. Appreciate you. You only trade NQ via CFD. Makes sense. CL, yeah, CL is all right. So these days you blow accounts. Yeah. Hype. I like it. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. All right, looks like it wants to go here. We do got a pivot point down there at 75s. I don't know why the pivots aren't showing up on here. Are they? They're not, are they? Oh, I guess they are. No, they're not. All right, now moving below that imbalance. Really, below this imbalance, there's nothing holding us up from the 75 here. Well, actually, we do have one more over here to the left. Oh, man, do I take a really aggressive short here? I mean, it might be a stupid short, to be honest. We'll just park an order down here. Just park an order down there for the run through the triple O's? I don't know. Do we? I do think it moves fast under here. This is dumb, so don't do nothing like this, guys. I tell you up front, this is no smart. This is no smart. Oh, you going to let it run, Trader Edge? Let's go. Christopher Walken line in Pulp Fiction. Yeah. Oh, wrong chat. New 5 minutes, it might accelerate. Yeah, I mean, we'll see what happens. I mean, I want to see it push through here anyway, strong. And again, this is kind of like, this is high risk. Don't do this. Don't do it. Kind of interesting there. We'll see. What's up, Brian? Nice day. You're ready for today. You wish you all a nice weekend. Hey, appreciate you, Oliver. Appreciate you. Could I have a possible 5-minute inversion? Yeah. What about the bullish divergence? Well, I'm not. I'm just looking for a quick run through here. If we don't get it, I mean, like, man, this is interesting. If we closed back above this, probably. I mean, I expect this to hold. I'll say that. But if this does not hold, we might can make a quick run back into the 905s maybe. But I would kind of expect this to hold. I'm going to take that off for now. Yeah, it could be only trades. I could take a cheap short here. And then if it closes above, flip to long. Let's go for that. Let's go for the cheap short. And we'll target these equal lows down here. And if we get our face ripped off here, like you were talking about, then we just flip long. I would expect this gap to hold if we're going to continue lower, though. But we very well could push back up into this area before we sell back down, so. Oh, that sucks. Brian. All right, I'm killing it. I'm killing it. We're flipping our bias to the other direction. I want to see at least a run up into this first imbalance here, maybe. Something like that. How much would you order at one time? If you're down 800. I should have waited for the close above there, though. I mean, if you're down 800 in a single day, then you probably size a little too much, kind of like I do sometimes. But yeah, it was stupid. Should have waited for the close above. But anyways, yeah, I mean, you could switch over to micros and maybe go 5 micros or something at a time. You could do that. Yeah, it tricked me there. I thought we were going to close back above, but we did not. I don't know why I didn't wait for this. I should have just waited right there. I don't know what was wrong with me there. I didn't even see this. This is the most obvious of the plays. Yeah, I mean, if you're going to go micros, maybe, you can maybe go like 2-3 micros would be fine. Really depends on like how much drawdown you have left and all that. Just because you're negative 800 a day doesn't mean you have to change your sizing. So, room's in the short. I wanted the short, but I let it fake me out to the upside. And then I didn't wait for the close above. I didn't wait for the close above. How stupid is that? So, well, let's see what we get. U2's 10. So broken so fast. Good news is the last 5 days. You made 1,000. Yeah, if you're used 10 today, then, I mean, that's a mini. So you may as well just use them. I mean, I know you can scale in and scale out with that, but. Mine that says buy, buy, buy. I will if it closes above. I'll wait for the close above this time. I don't want to fake myself out again. Fake myself out of my profits. I don't want to do it. So we'll wait and see. If we get below this imbalance here, then we'll go short, targeting the 74s there. And if we close above, then we'll go long. Kind of just bouncing between two imbalances here. Oh, yeah, fish slips. Ever since 11 this morning, we've been in this 45-point range. $45-point range. Choppity chop chop. Pivot points in VWAP Dell. Yeah, that's it. 200 EMA. That's it. Like I said, right now we're just kind of stuck between those two imbalances, so we'll see which one wins. Yeah, no problem, Dale. Welcome in here, Dale. I have not seen you here before, so I'm going to assume you're new. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Short at 81, getting closer. Yeah, we'll see. All right, we're going to give it a shot here. We're going to give it a shot. Why not? Let's give it a shot. Actually, I'll probably move. All right, let's see if we get the elevator down here or not. Wow, that's not the elevator down. That's not the elevator down that we were requesting, Nasdaq. What's up, John? Just chopping around here, guys. This is not really what I would consider tradable action, but we're going to do it anyway. Life's good, W Trades. How's it going for you? Life is always good. Got my hand on the trigger here. Just kind of wait. If we pop, then I just exit. Not really doing anything here. ES testing the 22s there. It's kind of the line in the sand like we just talked about for the shorts. How many screens do I have, Hinnock? We got 4. 2 32-inch vertical monitors and 2 27-inch horizontal monitors. There we go. Hesh, the 33 channel, 3 channel. Hesh 3 channel. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Was 3-point shorts of 50 ticks. Uh-oh. That sucks. Trying the 5-minute inversion short. Nope. Poppity. We don't like it. To be fair, we never really closed below this gap. That close was inside the gap, and then that open was outside, but we never actually closed outside this lower gap. That's going to be the second trade in a row where I've entered before we actually closed outside the gap. Just being aggressive. There's no reason to do that. Like, it's before we close above or below 1, then there's no real entry here. No, it's really choppy. We're kind of the bottom of the range. Not a great short spot, to be honest, but we'll give it a try. ES testing the 22. All right, it's going to eat our loss there. We're going to eat it. Same idea here. Hey, let's go. Ashley IA, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Oh. We are coming up on 3 o'clock here. And this is not how I normally trade, guys. We are being very aggressive today, so keep that in mind. I've taken a lot of entries today. I mean, look over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 entries. I've been here since noon. 12:15. 15 entries. We've taken a lot of entries today. I got to get some food, guys. I'm so hungry today. We're so hungry. Things work out a lot better if you just wait for the actual close above or below. If you just wait. Choppity chop fest. If you guys are interested in supporting the channel, we do have all the links above me or in the description for the prop firms. Apex 90% off is good through the 30th. 90% off of Bulenox is good through the 31st. We've been kind of spoiled this month, right? Let's think about it. Kind of spoiled this month. Basically had 90% off all month on Apex and most of the month on Bulenox there. For the most part. I guess maybe not all month, but really spoiled this month with the 90% off again. Apex 250K lifetime fee at $85. Correct, JX. Room beats in a short. Take it down for room. Take it down for room. I just got shook out of my short room. Drop it. Yeah, tough today. You need 90% for life. I suck at trading. 90% for life is, in fact, on at Bulenox. You can buy an account, and it resets at 90% for life. Andy Layer 27 contract short. Yeah, we're just chopping here. There's not much going on. So, yeah, I haven't had a Bulenox payout again yet, JX. I've taken a payout before, a couple of them, like maybe 3. Oh, yeah, the code is right there, MM, right there above me for Bulenox. Capital M, capital M. All right, you're not going to get me this time. I'm waiting for the close below. You're not going to get me this time. Starts to move, and it gets me. Oh. Down 10K, nothing to lose. JX, yeah, for 2K you need 4,600, correct? So you got to leave the threshold in there, right? So you need 3,600 to take out 1K, 46 to take out 2, so on and so forth. So happy weekend, eBirth. Appreciate you. Man, is this thing going to suck me in again? I guess it will. I guess it's going to suck me in again. If it doesn't close below this time, guys, take me out back and shoot me. See you. All right, we'll see you Tuesday, eBirth. If it closes below, I'm completely fine with the trade. If it doesn't close below, then I'm not. All right. We're in quite a bit of size here. Quite a bit of size. Break-even stop will be 82.50. And we want to see a quick run down here below the 82.50 there. What up, Enoch? Yeah, you're with me? Let's go. You're short big too, Andy? Let's go. Rip it down for everybody. All right, below the wick, I got to go break even now. Move the old stops down here. I don't like that. Come on, you got to go here. You got to go. That's such a dirty girl right there. So dirty. That's just dirty price action when that happens, right? That's just dirty price. I got to rejoin smaller size. See, like, we knew that was going to happen. It just took too long to do it. One of these days, no matter what I do, you're on the wrong side. Eric, I feel you. I feel you. Like, we know it's going there, but how does it get there, right? Look how dirty this is. We were short. We were long. We were long. We were short. We were long. We were short. We were short. We were short. It's tough. Closed up 11:37. Let's go. That's what I'm saying, Alito. Look how, I mean, like, we were in 4 Connies there and it wouldn't do it. Henoch said that was easy. That was painful, Henoch. That was painful. That was tough. All that just to be up $147 on an eval with about 20 entries. Not a good rate of return. Yeah, he is approaching the 317s here. Actually just tapped it. Bray up 3,116 on a 250K. I know I should stop, but I want more. I think $3,000 is a good day, Bray. You're two minds about keeping Bulenox 90%, but the 4,600 requirement. It's not 4,600, JX. It's 3,600 to get 1,000. 3,600 for to take out 1,000. And the nice thing is they pay every single week. So like, what you have to think about it, JX. Let's just say you got 8 funded accounts. You could spread those out and get the trading days spread out. You could stagger them so that you literally could take a payout every Friday, at least $1,000. So JMM, Apex, or Topstep. I like both JMM. It depends on what style of trading you're looking for. Like if you need an end-of-day account, then Topstep's the way to go. If you want to trade the news, then Topstep's the way to go. If you want no consistency rule after funded, Topstep's the way to go. But if you want to be able to have multiple accounts, 15 or 20 accounts, then Apex is the way to go. So it's really, and you don't mind the intraday trailing drawdown, then Apex is the way to go. So it really just depends on what you're looking for. I like both. So Topstep X has no commissions. Exactly. So Topstep does limit your trade size. So you can only trade two minis and in your express funded account. If you're on Topstep X, it is layered correctly so that if you get two minis would be 20 micros. On just a regular Topstep account, is still not fixed. So Tony T, what is 6 days? It says 6 days. What are we talking about? Topstep X needs to have, yeah, that's true, JX, but it's just money. I mean, you can just do a little math. I don't know. I have a basic one. I just put in 200 and 200, and I drag it to where I want it. But it's up to you. But Tony T, what are we talking about 6 days? I'm not sure. Still moving lower here, 60s. Maybe we want to test that initial balance down there at 38. It's not really been tested today. Might get a reaction there. I don't know. We'll see. Top of the hour. Yeah. Yeah, I guess it is the shock of the hour here. Shock of the hour. All right, guys and girls, that is going to do it for me. I am pretty hungry. So I'm going to go ahead and go. What are you doing? My daughter says, hey. Anyways, if you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe. If you're not yet subscribed, we'll be back on Monday. I'll probably do a stream on Monday, even though it's a half day. So join me for that. If you are interested in supporting the stream, we got the links down below to the Discord. It's $10 a month. And also got the links down below for all the prop firms if you want to help support the channel. Again, 90% off will be going through next week, so pick up the accounts if you want to. And we'll see you guys on Monday. Enjoy your weekend. Thanks for watching.